How to stream on Twitch from your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can stream on Twitch from our PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to stream on Twitch from your PC, there are many ways that you can stream. You can use Streamlabs, you can use OBS, you can use other many applications here. Now, in this case, for beginner and for starters, I would recommend you use OBS Studio. It is a completely free application that you can use to stream on social platforms. Once you open up OBS Studio, just make sure to click the file icon from the top left hand side of the screen and then go to this option here known as settings. Once you go to settings over here on the left hand side, you can simply go to the option known as stream. Under stream, under the service tab, make sure that you select Twitch, and from here make sure that you select connect account and just make sure to connect your Twitch account to your OBS Studio app. Once you connect your Twitch account, logging into your account is essential. What you can do is you can come back and set up some of the general settings that you can choose before you start your stream. So here you can see settings. You can go to settings, you can choose the output settings and so many all of the other settings that you might want to customize before you start your stream. This way you can start streaming on Twitch from your PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.